to continue. So x of n, it is x of c plus x of d over 2, which is 0, 0 plus k divided by 2, which is k over 2. And now for y of n, y of c plus y of d divided by 2, so it is equal to k plus 0, k plus 0 divided by 2, which is also k over 2. So point n has coordinates k over 2, k over 2. Okay, so point n has coordinates k over 2, k over 2. يلا كل شوي هيك بده يعمل. Okay. Now you have the coordinates of point O, M, and N. Simply now you can determine whether the points are collinear or not. You can find the components of vector OM and vector ON. You can find the components of vectors OM and ON and determine whether the vectors have same direction or not. Or you can apply the rule of the collinearity of 3 points OM and N. كله بيمشي. إلا المايكروسوفت وورد متلت. Now, to determine whether the points are collinear or not. Now, xo minus xm into yo minus yn, xo minus xn into y of o minus y of m, replace 0 minus xm, why not point m, minus half into 0 minus k over 2. The answer is k over 4. And here 0 minus k over 2 to 0 minus y of m, it's half. The answer is also k over 4. They are equal. xo minus xm, yo minus ym minus yn is equal to xo minus xn, yo minus ym. Therefore, o, m, and n are collinear. Close enough. Or if you want, vector on has coordinates k over 2, k over 2. Vector om has coordinates 1 over 2, 1 over 2. And origin. So, as you can see here, on is equal to k times om. If you multiply here by k, you get this. We have one point in common. So O, M, and N are collinear. بتصور انه تستحلوا هي اكثر يمكن. So here is an application on the choice of a system in order to prove ideas in geometry or to use the coordinate system in geometry. واحدة منهم يعني هاي الأفكار اللي نحن كنا ناخدها بجريد 8 و 9 أو in general using geometry to prove ideas or to prove شو ما يكون we can use coordinate system to prove it. واعتقد يمكن هون شوي بالكتاب يمكن أسهل شوي. يعني مش معناته إنه ننسى الجيومتري كله سوا، ما أصلا نحن هون we applied Thales theorem. We applied some skills in geometry. بس طريقة الحل أو كمالتهم using coordinate system. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Let's move to exercise number
No أستاذ.
13. Exercise number 13 on page 132.